Welcome back to CodeToAGI. I am Mahaz Abbasi, Senior ML Engineer. In Episode 3, you learned about variables and data types. Today, Episode 4, we learn two of the most important tools in Python: user input and string formatting. After this video, your programs will be able to talk to real users and respond to them. That is when coding starts to feel like magic. Let's go. What makes a program actually useful? Think about every app you use every day. Gmail, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram. What do they all have in common? They respond to you. They take your input and give you something back. Right now, your Python programs only have one way to work. They run, print something, and stop. Same output every single time. That changes today. With the input function, your programs can ask questions, listen to answers, and respond differently every time they run. That is the difference between a static script and a real interactive application. The input function is how Python asks the user question. The syntax is simple. Variable equals input, then in quotes, the question you want to ask. When Python runs this line, it stops. It prints your question on the screen. It waits. The user types their answer and presses enter. Python takes whatever they typed and stores in your variable. That is it. There are three parts to understand. First, the variable on the left stores the answer. Second, input is the built-in function that does all the work. Third, the text in quotes is the question shown to the user. Let me show you a live example. Name equals input. What is your name? Python shows, what is your name? On screen. User types Mahaz and presses enter. Now the variable name contains the text Mahaz, ready to use anywhere in your program. Now, let us talk about strings. Strings are text values in Python. Anything in quotes is a string. Python gives you powerful built-in tools to work with strings. First, len. Len of greeting gives you 13 because hello world has 13 characters, including the comma and space. Second, upper. Greeting.upper converts every letter to uppercase. Hello world in all capitals. Third, lower. Greeting.lower converts everything to lowercase. Fourth, indexing. Greeting square bracket 0 gives you the first character. In Python, counting always starts at 0, not 1. So index 0 is H, index 1 is E, index 2 is L. These tools work on any string, names, sentences, anything the user types into your program. Now I want to show you one of the most useful features in modern Python, f-strings. Before f-strings, combining variables and text was messy. You had to use plus signs to join everything together and wrap numbers in str to convert them. It was ugly, easy to get wrong, and hard to read. F-strings changed everything. You put the letter F before your opening quote. Then anywhere you want to insert a variable, you put it inside curly braces. Python automatically replaces those curly braces with the actual value of the variable. Look at the examples. F-hello, then curly brace name, closes, Python prints, hi, I am Mahaz. F-age colon, curly brace age, prints, age 32. You can even do calculations inside the curly braces. F-strings are the standard way to format strings in modern Python. Use them everywhere. There's one critical thing you must know about the input function. It always returns a string. Always. No exceptions. Even if the user types the number 25, Python stores it as the text 25, not the number 25. This causes a very common beginner error. If you try to add 1 to it, Python throws a type error. You cannot add a string and an integer. The fix is simple. Wrap the input call with int to convert to an integer, or float to convert to a decimal number. Now age is a real integer, and you can do maths with it. Remember this rule: whenever you need a number from the user, always wrap input with int or float. This single rule will save you hours of debugging. Now, Let us put everything together in a real project. We are building a personal greeting app. Line 1 is a comment describing what the program does. Line 2, we ask for the user's name using input. Line 3, we ask for age and immediately convert it to an integer with int. Line 4, we ask for their city. Now we print everything using f-strings. Print f hello comma name. Python greets them by name. Print f your age years old. Uses the integer directly. Print f welcome from city. Uses their city. Print f next year age +1. Python calculates the next birthday right inside the f string. Look at those outputs. Every single one is personalized based on what the user typed. This is a real interactive Python application. You just built it in 9 lines of code. Now it is your turn to build something. I want you to create a mini profile app with 4 steps. Step 1. Ask for the user's name with input. Step 2. Ask for their age and convert it with int. Step 3. Ask for their favorite programming language. Step 4. Print all 3 using f-strings in a nice format. Run it. Test it. Make sure it works. Then paste your complete program in the comments below. I check every single comment on this channel, and I will personally review your code. If there is an error, I will tell you exactly how to fix it. This is a real exercise. Do it now while the lesson is fresh. Let us wrap up what you learned today. The input function lets Python ask users questions and store their answers. Strings have powerful built-in methods: len, upper, lower, and indexing. F-strings are the modern clean way to combine variables and text. An input always returns a string, so use int or float to convert when you need numbers. You also built a complete interactive greeting app from scratch. In episode 5 tomorrow, we learn if and else conditions. That is how Python makes decisions. It is one of the most important topics in all of programming. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. Input mastered. F-strings mastered. Your programs can now talk to real users. That is a huge step. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps other people find this free course. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a single episode. Paste your mini profile app in the comments. I will check every single one. I am Mahaz Abbasi. See you tomorrow in episode 5.